This is
What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. It's probably about what time is it?
10:20.
It's 10:20 and we are on a mission to make some white macadamia nut cookies. But first, we're gonna go work out. See you guys at the field.
Hey guys, we just got to the field. We're about to get a quick sprint workout in. We love coming outside and working out on these fields because it's just absolutely gorgeous and we love to get that vitamin D.
Vitamin D. Honestly, this is like our second home. Every time we're here in Athens, this field just... Oh, he just kicked the ball.
We love coming here. But if you guys are wondering what a typical sprint workout looks like for us, just comment and we can either do a full video showing our sprint workouts or we can post it for you guys.
We just finished up the workout. We're pretty drenched, or I'm pretty drenched, enough for the both of us. Yeah, we just finished our sprint workout. Yeah, we like to do a lot of sprint workouts, or whenever we can, just because it's a good form of...
Good form of cardio. Get the blood pumping, get out in the lovely sunlight.
Exactly. One thing we do believe is if you want to look like an athlete, you gotta train like an athlete. And that's what we do. We do.
Your face. I'm going for my run.
Even after the workout, you can't stop her. She's still getting after it. Heck yeah. Oh, Rachel, please, can I get your autograph? Please. Good job today. No. Shout out to Black Ice. No, let's get that out of the way. Right there. All right. So, guys, as we said before, we're on a quest to get ingredients for these macadamia nut cookies.
Father's Day is coming up, and unfortunately my dad is out of town, but we're going to see Brandon's dad, and he basically loves macadamia nut cookies so much, and he asked his mom for them a while back, a month or so
My
ago.
mom got him just a bag of macadamia nuts.
Yeah, so she came back from the store and just had this bag of macadamia nuts, and if you've ever had a macadamia nut, you know it doesn't taste that great. You
want the cookie.
You want the cookie, and he wanted the cookie, but he got the nut instead. So for Father's Day, we're gonna surprise him, go to the store, buy some stuff to make the cookies, and make the cookies and bring them to him.
Exactly. He's been wanting them so long. He knows Rachel's an avid baker.
Every time I visit them,
every time
I bring goods.
Every single time. For my birthday, she went all out.
We'll insert a picture.
We'll probably insert a picture.
I baked a cake, I made brownies, I made cookies.
Alright, slow it down a little bit.
His birthday was during while we were in quarantine, so I wanted to make it special, so I went to surprise him.
Awesome. But we're off to Kroger. We're gonna get these ingredients and we're gonna surprise my dad.
We're gonna surprise his dad. You're so...
For real, let's go.
It's so cheap.
Just came in here to get what we plan on getting.
Please do. Shampoo.
Literally before we had the chance to even go to Kroger and get the ingredients, Rachel had to stop. And
I need shampoo and I want cheap shampoo.
I think this would be good for your hair.
It passes.
It passes the smell test.
Passes the smell test. Not what I
You
usually
heard it
get.
here first.
Not what I usually get. Don't judge, but it's
gonna
be $5. Okay, we need the shampoo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's the conditioner? I guess I have conditioner for another. Should I just get this then? Can I buy you pretzel cups?
No, let's go. No, let's go. You literally have to shoo Rachel out of a grocery store. We don't need the pretzel chips.
these sour nerds. I don't really like Star Wars, but I like these.
You didn't even get conditioner. You said it was shampoo.
Brandon,
What?
did you just burp?
No. I guess you wouldn't even know because we have masks on.
Woo!
So, the mission was kind of a failure. For what
only half a failure.
Only half a failure. We couldn't find the conditioner
Nope.
that we went in there for, but we got something even better.
Got sour nerds. Squishy sour nerds.
And what else did you get?
So,
Ooh, that's easy.
I had ants in my apartment a couple weeks ago. Oh, you're welcome.
Dude, are you eating one right now?
Yep.
Dude, what?
Had ants in my apartment, and basically the only thing they got into in my food was these. And they're basically knockoff Yorkmans, but there's a lot more than just one. And yeah, creamy mint center drenched in rich dark chocolate. So the ants got these, so I replaced them. And we got sour nerds, and I got shampoo, but not the kind I wanted, so.
You want a conditioner too?
Oh yeah, and I want a conditioner, but it's okay. Try one.
I'm good, dude.
Bro,
No, bro.
for the film.
Dude, I don't want to do it for the film.
Do it for the gram. I want you to eat one.
Oh, those. Yeah, I'll try those.
Well, I was supposed to try
They're hard.
on the outside. Squish them.
Bite into it?
Yeah.
Ah! Oh. Okay.
Such a drama queen. Oh, it's gonna fall.
Oh! How did I scream?
I don't know why you screamed.
Why did I scream?
I was the one that was getting, because you slammed on your brake. Mm.
What the heck?
This one's so sour. Try the blue one. Yeah. He's texting. Don't text and drive.
What about vlogging and driving?
Hands-free?
Hands-free is correct.
These are good, and you know it. It's a nerd coating over like a gummy, a jelly bean, basically.
This is not sponsored by Black Ice.
It said which side are you? I'm the dark side because I had the cherry ones, or the strawberry ones.
Yeah, you are the dark side.
Which one do you like better, the blue or the red? This is a blue. We'll both eat them together. Blue.
These are blues? I don't know why I just asked. I literally just looked at it. Saw it was blue. So these are blues.
Okay, so get that out of your mouth.
Hopefully they can hear us. Because the car is pretty loud. So I'm driving this brand new 2020 Ford Mustang. It's pretty loud.
Ah! He's not loud enough.
Alright, let me get it red.
Oh! Look at your tongue! Look at it! Ah!
Oh, shit.
Here, try the red one.
Now it's gonna turn purple.
On the count of 3, you'll tell me which one's your favorite.
It's easy.
1, 2, 3.
Red. 100%. Red's not sour.
Yeah, I like the red better.
The blue one was too sour.
Bad news for us though, there's a lot of blues coming up
Really?
right now.
This doesn't look good. With it being quarantine season, she asked me to do something that she only allows people that she really trusts to do. And that's to give her a haircut.
Trash can. Wow. Film this. So Brandon didn't get any of it in the trash can. Like absolutely none of it. Some
I
on
don't
the
think I can see the.
toilet.
Rachel's not feeling the haircut that I gave her.
Yeah, so Brandon cut my hair and it used to be like down to here, no joke, and now it's here.
That's not true.
I'm not
She told me pinky's length.
My pinky is like an inch.
My pinky's like 3 inches.
So now I'm like missing like 4 inches of my hair.
It's okay, you're still beautiful.
Because it like shortens when you dry it. Girls, you know what I'm talking about?
About to make these macadamia nut cookies for my dad, and we're gonna surprise him tomorrow. So we made the cookies. Rachel packaged them up very nicely.
And made them.
Did the majority of the work. And now we're heading back to my parents' house to surprise my dad. That's our cue.
So we just pulled up to Brandon's house. We have the cookies.
We got the cookies.
And a card.
We also stopped to get a card.
So we got the cookies and the card. And we're about to surprise his dad for Father's Day.
Excited. Can I get his?
Yes.
But we're about to go inside and surprise him. You ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
You didn't write Dad on the front of this.
What's up, people? What's up, Dad? Happy Father's Day. Guess what we made?
Oh God, not macadamia. Oh, what? Huh? Let me see.
Day.
Cookies. Oh, thank you. They look like muffins.
Muffin?
Oh,
What?
here's my hat.
Hi.
This is like
So what do you think? You like them?
yeah, they look pretty.
Do you hear that bird?
Do I do them right now?
No promises. No.
But yeah,
No
hopefully they
promises,
taste good.
They're soft.
I've never made them before, so if they're bad,
That means they're gonna be good. So don't tell me.
if they're bad, just don't tell me.
I won't tell you.
Hi.
This is
Oh,
so
she's
great.
wet.
See, when you get 70 years old,
Are you going on a cruise anytime soon?
this is
all your
shirts. This is running on
Is
a. Oh, this is this is special.
how thin it is.
Okay.
Is there something in it?
Yeah, the iPhone.
Yeah, you gotta
Just a
open.
bunch of cookies.
Good God, you don't know how bad I needed this.
I remember I went to your shop, I saw your iPad, it just had cracks in it, like a bunch of salt was on it for some reason. And I was like, do you even care about this thing? And you're just like, it's all I have.
Is that what I said?
Yeah, and then I was like, then I immediately texted her and I was like, all right, we need to get her a new one.
Yeah.
It's like shedding the glass. It's like bad.
It had salt all on it for some reason.
Are you serious? That shocked me.
Not as much as the other iPads have shocked you.
Who's gonna set that up?
You should tell Sienna to do it.
It'll never get done. I have to ask her to do it.
Hey, Bella. What's up, Bells?
Aw, she's so cute.
Nice bag. I can't get over the bag.
I know.
Who's driving home?
Bye. Good to see you. Bye, Bella.
See you, Bella.
Just moseys on over.
Come on.
She really sways when she walks.
Hey, Maggie.
Don't make fun of Maggie.
Bye.
Bye. There's something in my eye. Okay.
So we just got back from from Brandon's parents' house and we gave his dad the cookies, and the surprise was a success. He loved the cookies and he thought they were delicious. So I guess our first time ever making white chocolate chip macadamia nut cookies was a success. So it was a really nice all around relaxing day. We watched a lot of the cooking channel, which was super fun. I love to watch the cooking channel. So we watched a lot of cooking channels. We laughed a lot. We all told jokes and we just had the most relaxing day ever. It was so much fun and I love going to see them, and we had so much fun and we can't wait to see them again.
Heck yeah. Rachel, what are we about to do?